So here's EARNOS app, and I just verified my email, and then here's how you create an account. Let's check it out. So all right, so then you can see that whether username is available. So then you can see that it's not available. And all right, so let's just create it here. So invite your friends and earn a bonus when they sign up and every time they complete a mission. So here is my referral code. So here is my referral code, which you can just use. Here's my link. So yeah, feel free to use that. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. So you'll use my referral link in here. I can, just get some additional things, and then earn with friends, and then there you have it. So now here you have it. So now there are multiple things where you can then just participate in multiple giveaways. So if you do, if you join their newsletter, watch videos, things like that, then you're just getting some reward in that. So basically that's the idea. And there are a lot of these kind of like mini tasks and mini rewards which you can do. And then, yeah, there you have it. So then you can see completed missions, earnings, and then invites. So earn 2x for every person you invited who completes verification, and then you have referrals. So that's the idea, and that's your profile. So then you can see all the rewards which are available in here. You can see your account, leaderboard. So yeah, feel free to use my invite code in here. And then yeah, you can see streak. And then there is daily check-in. So now I have 1 day streak. So yeah, that's the idea in here.